Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix a problem that stops Eclipse from launching properly. When I try to open Eclipse on my computer, a window pops up and says no JVM was found in a specific location. To resolve this issue, go to the Windows search box and type env. When you see edit system environment variables, just click to open it. Now simply click on the environment variables button. Make sure Java Home is listed in the system variables. Also check if Java Home slash bin is added to the path variable. You can double check this by using command prompt and typing echo space percentage java underscore home percentage and path command. You can go to the location where pop-up window appears. However, this path does not exist. You can go to the folder where Eclipse is installed. Then open the eclipse.ini file and go to the end of the line. Add the location of the JDK's bin folder there and save the file. Now when you open Eclipse, it will take a while to load. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.